Hi, today we're going to help you create dashboards on Servicenow. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. To create a dashboard, use the All menu to open Self-Service, and from Self-Service, press Dashboards. Then click the Create a Dashboard button. To create a dashboard when viewing a dashboard, click the Dashboard Controls. And now we're going to press the three lines. Then after that, select the new dashboard in the menu item. Now we're going to configure the dashboard properties. The name is the name of the dashboard that appears in the dashboard selector. Group is where to place the dashboard in the dashboard selection list. Order is in the order the dashboard appears on the dashboard landing page. Restrict roles is the roles required to access the dashboard. And inactive is to select to make the dashboard usable in runtime. And now the owner, Servicenow user, owns the dashboard record. Now we're going to click the additional actions menu to save the dashboard. Click the view dashboard related to the link to add widgets and tabs to the dashboard. And that's how you make dashboards in Servicenow. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching.